Currency dynamics, USD dip, NZD and GBP strength, and emerging concerns. The US dollar experienced a slight dip this morning as investors eagerly awaited the outcome of a significant 10-year Treasury note auction. Despite this, there's an air of nervousness in the U.S. regional banking and commercial real estate sectors. Although the Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index showed a minor decline, it's still close to its recent high, reflecting a general investor sentiment that's cautiously optimistic about the global economy following a flurry of recent data. While the USD is marginally weaker today, the prevailing narrative of American exceptionalism continues to influence the markets, keeping the USD near its recent highs against most major currencies. However, challenges persist, particularly evident in regional banks in Europe, Japan, and the U.S. Moody's recent downgrade of New York Community Bancorp's credit ratings to junk status has triggered concerns about potential contagion among other regional banks, especially those heavily exposed to the U.S. commercial real estate sector. While Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen believes the commercial real estate issue is manageable, it remains a significant concern for investors. Elsewhere, there's growing anticipation that China's leadership may take further steps to bolster its struggling equities market. Investor confidence in China is waning, prompting asset reallocation to safer havens like Japan. Looking ahead, Banxico's meeting tomorrow and a few scheduled Fed speakers may bring some market activity, but the USD is expected to remain relatively stable compared to recent volatile sessions. In currency-specific news, both the Australian and New Zealand dollars are making gains against the USD this morning. The New Zealand dollar, in particular, received a boost after stronger-than-expected labor market data. Meanwhile, pound sterling is performing well in the G10, driven by positive news on housing prices and indications from Bank of England Deputy Governor Sarah Breeden suggesting a delay in interest rate cuts due to entrenched UK inflation. Exchange dollars and more than 30 currencies with us. Register your company at TKambio US and transact with the best exchange rate, backed by Monex US. Subscribe and stay updated with exchange rate news.